Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing, and today I'm going to be talking all about the Use This Sound feature for YouTube Shorts. So YouTube recently released a new feature for their Shorts studio called Use This Sound, which is pretty much the same thing as the TikTok feature, where if you see another short that is using a sound or a YouTube video that has a sound that you want to use in your short, you can use the sound using a new feature called Use This Sound. Pretty self-explanatory. How many times did I just say use this sound? There are actually two ways to do this. One, by using a short that uses a sound, and number two, by using a YouTube video that has a audio that you want to use. Today I'm going to show you how to do both methods, and I'm going to show you how to add any audio you want to any video that you have using our free online video editor, Kapwing. Okay, so for the first method, we are going to be using a sound that another short uses. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the YouTube app, and then you're going to click the Shorts button on the bottom left. You can see in the bottom right corner that there is a wave file sort of moving around in a little box. You're going to click that. And then you can click the Use This Sound button on the bottom. You can also add it to your favorites using this button up top, and then you can add the sound later to your video. If you click the Use This Sound button, then the sound will play while you are speaking, so you'll be able to hear the sound while you are creating that video. The weird thing about the Use This Sound feature, though, is that actually you're unable to pick up on my voice when you use the sound. It does not record your voice, it'll only use the sound.
One, never cut the eye off the onion. If you cut the eye off, it starts to bleed.
Even if you try to adjust the sound, it'll just adjust the actual Shorts sound, not your sound. So you're unable to record your voice over another sound at this point. Alternatively, you could just add the sound to your favorites, and then when you go and create a short normally without using the Use This Sound feature, it'll pick up on your voice when you're doing this, la la la, I am singing a sound, whatever. Then you'll move forward. As you can see, it does have my voice in this one now, sound, whatever. It'll pick up on your voice when you're doing this, la la. But you can click the music button in the bottom left, and then you go to your favorites, and then you can apply the sound this way. It'll pick up on your voice when you're doing this, la la la. And now it has both of them together. Now it has both your voice and it has the sound that you are using. So this is the way you have to do it if you want to be speaking on top of a sound. Just FYI, you have to favorite the sound and then create a new Shorts using the plus button on the bottom of the screen. You can't use the Use This Sound feature if you want to speak on top of it. Kind of weird, I know. So that was all method one, even though there are a couple methods within that method. Method two is to use audio from a YouTube video in one of your shorts, which I'll show you how to do now. So let's say I'm doing a cooking video, or I want to try out this ramen recipe that Emmy Made has in this YouTube video. So on the bar underneath the title where it has the likes and dislikes and shares and all that, there's going to be a create button. You can click that button and then it'll throw the audio right into Shorts. Now, because a YouTube video is likely going to be longer than a short that you find, you are probably going to want to use the adjust button on the right. You can see it has music notes, and then you'll be able to adjust what part of the YouTube video you want to have the audio for your short. So you can do that just by moving the slider to the left and right, and then when you're done, you can click the done button. And then I can just record.
Luxurious is the word that was used. I learned about this hack from Kevin Pang.
Once again though, you will see that my voice actually is not in it at all, and it is just the audio from the YouTube video. As far as I understand, there actually is no way to add your own voice on top of a YouTube video's audio, because you can't add it to your favorites in the same way that you can with Shorts audios. I like the direction YouTube's going because I think there are a ton of YouTube videos that would make great audios for videos. However, I just don't think that it's completely integrated well yet. Perhaps they're worried more about copyright than like TikTok is, but it's definitely more difficult to like pair your video with someone else's audio. It's not quite worked out yet, but hopefully soon there will be a way to add your own voice to other audios more easily. It's also important to note that for a lot of videos, you actually aren't able to use their audio either. As you can see under this video, when I try and swipe right to find the create button, it's just not there. This does seem to be with the majority of videos, there is not a create button. So it does seem like you have to opt in to allow others to use your audio. And most videos also from over a year ago do not have the create button. It does seem to be more recent videos that have the create button. So yeah, if you're trying to use an old video, and I think a lot of old videos actually would be really great to use as audios, because like, you know, classic YouTube, like I feel like we could really play up on that. But at the moment, you're not allowed. So obviously there are a lot of limitations here for the YouTube Shorts use this sound feature. So if you have a video that you want to use the audio from, but you can't use the create button because it's just not there, or if you're trying to speak over another audio but it will not let you, then you can use our online video editor Kapwing to upload any audio that you have to any video that you have. Okay, hey guys, so you're just going to click the first link in our bio and it'll take you to kapwing.com. Then you're going to want to click the sign in button and sign in with Google or Facebook. It's completely free and it just makes it so that when you export your video, it won't have a Kapwing watermark. So then it'll take you to your workspace and you will create new content. And then you're going to want to start by throwing in the video that you want to add. So I'm just going to drag in my video here. So as you can see, this one has my audio file on the bottom. You can see that with the little waves under the clip. And now you can add any audio you want just by dragging it in. Keep in mind that all these audios should be copyright free because YouTube is a bit of a stickler when it comes to copyright music. So I'm just going to throw in this background music. And then as you can see, it also has the volume here. I can adjust the volume using this scale on the side. Then I can move the cursor to where I want the music to end, click the split button, and then I can just delete this. And now I have a video that has the audio that I want behind it and my voice both. So obviously that's probably what you're going to want if you're reacting to something or if you want to use some piece of music behind your video and also have your voice going. That's it. It's as simple as that. Then you're just going to click the export video button and then wait for it to process. And then once it's done, you can just click the download button and it'll go straight to your computer. And then you can send that to your phone, post it on Shorts, and there you have it. Now you have your voice and whatever audio you want behind you. Hey guys, so I actually can hear my voice. Alright guys, that's about it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also check out the Discord so you can keep up with the Kapwing staff and other Kapwingers. And check out the TikTok where I'm making tomfoolery every single day almost. So come say hey. Have a good one and I'll see you guys in the next one.